Hello everybody, today we are at Kharadi and this is a very premium segment. The project name is Riverdale and we are about to see the 3 BHK sample flat of 1203 square feet carpet area. So this is how we enter. At the entrance you will get video door phone and intercom facility and digital lock system. So this is your living and dining area, a very beautifully designed flat. This side is your living room. This will be the provision for your TV unit. Attached to it you have the balcony, a spacious one, and this will be covered from top, so no odd even concept. Privacy is fully maintained. This is the dining area. It is separated from your living area, so no living cum dining concept. Living area is separated, dining area is also different. And just behind your dining area you have kitchen with L-shaped granite platform. Will provide you hob chimney just like this, along with lower and upper cabinets. These all things will be provided. This side is your dry balcony having an extended platform. This is the first bedroom of this flat, the guest bedroom. This is the common washroom area. So the tile selection, color combination, the CP and sanitary fittings, everything will be same. This is the second bedroom and the first master bedroom of this flat. This side you can place your wardrobe, provision for wardrobe space, and this is the attached washroom, a very neatly designed. And here you have the third bedroom and the second master bedroom, a very spacious one. It has a separate lobby space. Here you can put some wardrobe, and this is the bedroom. This is the window provided. And this side you have the attached washroom. So the total carpet area of this flat is 1203 square feet. We also have 2 BHK flats, studio 1 BHK flats. It's a very big project. We have different options and it is a new launch property. We are having some good offers for you regarding this. So please contact us. Our official number has been mentioned below this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel to get more details like this. We are waiting for your valuable feedbacks and responses. So thank you so much for watching this video.